Welcome back to my channel. It's Curls Next Door here. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So you guys, I finally got my hands on a perfume that I've been wanting to add to my collection for the longest time. I'm super excited to go ahead, get a smell test on this one and see if I am going to like it. I think I am because there's one of my favorite tropical notes in there that has never ever let me down before. With that being said, let us get into the video.
See it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it.
So I went into Ulta about a week and a half ago and I was able to pick up the very last, I don't know if it's limited edition or reformulation, I don't know. When I researched it, the notes were exactly the same as the original for her. And it's none other than Fame by Paco Rabanne. Super excited for this one. There was no tester in store, so I was not able to go ahead and test this one out. And so I want to do a first impression and get a smell test on this one with you. Again, my favorite note is in here, which is mango. Of course, you know I'm a tropical girl. I love everything that's tropical and creamy and smoothie-like. So this was definitely right up my alley. So with that being said, let us get into the smell test. And this is the box. It looks like it's also refillable, so, which is a good thing. Look at the bottle. Look at the beautiful display of this bottle. Oh man, I've been wanting this for the longest and I'm super excited that I now have it. So let's get a spray test on it. Right off the bat, let's get a spray on the skin. Ooh. I'm gonna set it right up here. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so while that dries, let's get into the notes. So the main accords are tropical, fruity, sweet, vanilla, woody, white floral, powdery, citrus, fresh, spicy, and terpenic. I don't know what that is, but I've never seen that word before. We're gonna just continue on. Yeah, whatever that is. The top notes are mango and bergamot. The middle notes are jasmine and olibanum. And the base notes are vanilla and sandalwood. Right on the top, I get a burst of tropical, smoothie, milky, creamy mango. It smells like a creamy mango mixed with jasmine right on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this again because I think I let it dry down a little bit too much for my liking. I'm also gonna spray the cardboard one more time. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so right off the top, I get a burst of citrus from that bergamot. It smells absolutely amazing mixed with the mango. It just brings in that tropical smoothie fruity goodness that I love, especially in the summer. On my skin, I get mango and jasmine. The mango is definitely there. It's prominent. You can definitely smell the mango. It doesn't take a back seat in this fragrance at all, which is what I want because it's supposed to be a mango dominant fragrance. However, I do smell jasmine, and you know, me and jasmine, we don't vibe right if it's not done well. So in the first 2 minutes, I get mango smoothie, I get a little bit of the bergamot, and I definitely get that jasmine in there. The jasmine is not really prominent, but I can smell it. I'm gonna leave it to dry down just a little bit more and see what else comes out in the dry down. Okay, so this is about 10 minutes later, and I'm still definitely getting the jasmine. I get the jasmine and the mango together. I feel the jasmine just makes this a little bit incensey on my skin. It smells more, I don't know, incensey for some reason. So I still get a burst of that mango. The mango is definitely there and I can smell it. I do get a little bit of the bergamot, which makes it a citrusy floral, but it's drying down and that jasmine is killing it. It's killing it for me. I feel like it's making it's kind of incensey on my skin. It's drying down almost incensey, like incense, like burning incense on my skin for some reason. I don't know if it's a mixture of the jasmine and the sandalwood, or the jasmine and the fruit and the citruses. I don't know, but it smells almost incensey at this point. And this is about 10 minutes later, and that's what I get on my skin. On the paper, I get just fruit. I get mangoes just popping out with a little bit of florals, but the jasmine is not really prominent on the paper, which makes this, I mean, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm gonna let it dry down just a little bit more and I will come back with my final thoughts on this. Okay, so we're back and this is my final thoughts and take and my first impression on the Fame Blooming Pink by Paco Rabanne. I like it. It's not a love for me. I felt like at this point, which is about 20 minutes later, the jasmine totally killed this. Yeah, I get a lot of incense on my skin, and that's just me. It could be my body chemistry. It may not be the same for everyone, but I mean, I like it. I definitely get the mango there. It reminds me of this Michael Kors Sexy Rio de Janeiro. I've had this in my collection for a while, and it kind of like dries down the same. The notes are very similar. There is mango, there is jasmine, and there is some vanilla in the base for this. And it definitely vibe the same. They vibe the same. They smell very, very similar. The only thing is in this one, the jasmine is a lot more prominent. You can smell it. And it definitely overtakes the mango, the scent of the mango. But in this one definitely has that mango. It's more mango forward than anything else, but the jasmine is trying to kill it. So yeah, it reminds me of this. So this is where I'm going to share with you some body mist and I believe one perfume that I have that's amazing, that'll just kill that jasmine scent from this perfume and it'll make it smell amazing on my skin. The first one I'm going to share with you is from none other than Bath & Body Works, and this is an eau de parfum. This is Mango Maui Surf. The notes for this are mango, guava, and hibiscus. Then there is Mai Tai cocktails, there's sea notes and driftwood, And the base notes are ylang ylang, sandalwood, and musk. This is described as a floral, fruity, gourmand fragrance, and it is all of that and more. I had the Fine Fragrance Mist many years ago, I believe in 2015, and that one's gone, and this is all I have left, and I am just taking it easy because I don't want to use it too much because this is all I have that's left. And right now, this just immediately killed that incensey type of fragrance. I would say that these two worn together would be more daytime wear. And if you just really want that long-lasting, more floral fruitiness on the skin, I would say these two paired together would be more nighttime, in my personal opinion. The first body mist that I want to share with you is a brand new release from Bath & Body Works in the body care form, and this one is Midnight Blue Citrus. The fragrance notes are juicy citrus, fresh spring water, and sweet mango. They pair well together. I can see these two going perfect together. I can see them going hand in hand. They're both beautiful, juicy, citrusy type of fragrances, and I think they will pair perfect together. Another fine fragrance mist that I think will go perfect, and I think this is for any time wear, especially in the summer, would be this Mango Mai Tai. This one has mango nectar, it has sun-kissed guava, and sugarcane. The notes are very similar to the Mango Maui Surf that I showed you recently. I think they're very similar as far as the scent profile is concerned. So I know these two are gonna line up and smell perfect together. Another mango forward fragrance that I think is gonna go perfect with this is gonna be this Mango Tango Twist by Bath & Body Works. This is the one that I do have in my project Use It Up as of right now. Hopefully I can use her up soon. This might definitely just give me the edge that I need to go ahead and use this, even though I don't want to, but it is time, okay? I've had this for about 7 years, since 2015. I've had this in my arsenal, so yeah. The fragrance notes on this are tangerine, pink pomelo, and blackberry. There is mango blossom, jasmine. There is pink lotus in here. There's also white teakwood. There's sugarcane, vanilla, amber, and musk. Very, very similar notes to this Fame Blooming Pink by Paco Rabanne, so I know they're gonna go perfect together. And the final fragrance mist that I'm gonna add to make this, you know, pop just a little bit more on my skin and just to downgrade the scent of that jasmine would be this Victoria's Secret Mango Smash. There is mango peel, spiked hibiscus, and juicy nectarine. And I feel like these two together are going to smell absolutely amazing. I know they will, because this is more of the mango skin and this is more of the mango pulp, but I think together they're gonna smell amazing. This is more of a greener smelling type of mango, so it'll definitely bring out the smoothie in the mango pulp in this one. And yeah, there's also nectarine, so there's citruses in both, and I think they're gonna pair and smell perfect together. So you guys, that is it. That is gonna be it for my very first impression of the Paco Rabanne Blooming Pink Eau de Parfum by Paco Rabanne. Yeah, I'm super excited that I do have her in my collection. I'm gonna be trying her out some more. I know first impressions never last, so with that being said, I am subject to my first impression and my own personal opinion on the scent of this eau de parfum. Hopefully, you know, I'm gonna get some more wear out of it before the summer is over. Right now it's still 100+ degrees outside. I'm gonna be wearing this on my clothes, see how it wears, and I'm gonna take it a little bit further and just, you know, give you an update on the longevity and, you know, the sillage and everything like that. To all of you that's been with me from day one, thank you. I love you. To my brand new subscribers, that has just joined me on this channel, thank you so much. I love you. It would not have been possible without you, and I'm here because of you. And with that being said, I love you. May God bless you. And until the next video.